Gold's value can be unpredictable, and this year, many are asking, will gold surge or plummet? If you're wondering whether it's time to invest or even adjust your strategy, you're not alone. With so many factors affecting the market, including inflation, geopolitical tensions, and shifts in global economies, the question of gold's future becomes crucial, especially for retirees looking to preserve wealth. Stick around because I'm going to break down the predictions for gold this year and why many financial experts believe it could be a game changer for people just like you. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings. This guide will show you why. Now, let's dive into the predictions. As we enter the year, experts are divided. On one hand, we have economists predicting a gold surge due to rising inflation rates and central banks continuing their aggressive monetary policies. Inflation often erodes the purchasing power of traditional currencies, and gold has historically been a safe haven during these times. In fact, over the last few decades, when inflation spikes, gold has generally maintained or even increased its value, making it a preferred choice for investors seeking stability. On the other hand, there are predictions suggesting that gold may face some pressure this year. Why? Because if global economies start to stabilize, central banks might slow down their rate hikes, leading to a stronger dollar. A stronger dollar typically hurts gold prices, since it makes the metal more expensive for foreign investors. So, gold could struggle if the dollar strengthens and stock markets experience continued growth. But here's where things get interesting for you as a retiree. Whether gold surges or dips, having a gold IRA in your portfolio allows you to hedge against these unpredictable shifts. Gold's intrinsic value isn't tied to any single economy, and when it comes to securing your wealth over time, it has shown a level of reliability that stocks and bonds simply can't match. If you're sitting on a 401k or an IRA worth over $100k or even $5 in savings, protecting that wealth with gold could be one of the best moves you make this year. Now, if you're still holding on to traditional assets like stocks or bonds in your retirement account, there's a strong case to be made that you could be exposed to risk. While these assets can bring returns, they also fluctuate based on market conditions and can be vulnerable to downturns. Gold, however, tends to perform better during market volatility. So, while experts debate whether gold will surge or fall this year, a gold IRA acts as your security blanket, especially if you're looking to lock in gains while the market is unstable. Also, don't forget about the bigger picture, geopolitical risks. Tensions in various parts of the world, from trade wars to armed conflicts, have the potential to disrupt financial systems. During these times, gold often rallies because it's seen as a store of value that transcends borders. If anything, this year could present new opportunities for gold, especially as countries seek to diversify away from reliance on the US dollar. If you're watching this video, chances are you're already thinking about how to protect your wealth. So, let's make it easy. Click the link in the description and get your free guide to gold IRAs. Whether you have $100k in your retirement accounts or millions in savings, now is the time to secure your future with gold. To wrap up, predicting whether gold will surge or plummet is never straightforward, but history tells us that it remains a strong and reliable asset in times of uncertainty. For American retirees, the key takeaway is simple. Gold IRAs provide an unmatched level of protection, regardless of what happens with gold prices in the short term. If you're holding significant savings, protecting that wealth with gold might just be the smartest choice you make this year. If you're serious about safeguarding your savings, take action now. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. It's perfect for American retirees with 100k or more in their IRA or 401k, or even 5 Men Plus in savings. Get the guide, make the move, and take control of your financial future today.